slowly drifting by. All the poems I wrote for you, they made me blind, they made me lie. Heard you in the rain, will you always be there?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Judith Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well, hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a brand new video on my channel. With that being said, thank you. Hey boos, hey baby girls, how you guys doing? I know I missed, but let's just pretend like I never left. I'm going to make it up to you as I always do, okay? The reason why I wasn't filming last week, I'm a very strong allergic person. I've told you several times on this channel, and in case you don't know, this is the season. I had to adapt to it when it's time for allergy. Oh my god, you can't believe how my eye run water like non-stop. You filming this tutorial, guys, it was just luck, so it was a little bit struggle, but trust me, I just had to, you know, calm down. Not too much pressure, not too much excitement. Although this palette, I'm excited to show you guys, but I just had to calm my nerves down. Achieve this eye look. I use this Beauty Glazed palette. I'm so in love with this palette. I couldn't wait. I wasn't even sure I'm going to be filming a tutorial this week, but I'm so excited. You know, I just want to make a review out of the way. I just want to show you this palette. I just want to give you the vibe. I just want to give you the tea. I just want to give you my honest opinion. Okay, so yeah, this palette, this is how it looks like. Super beautiful. The packaging, guys, you know I love beautiful packaging. It looks super high-end, it looks super bougie, and the only thing I don't like is that it has any mirror, but it's okay, we are not mad. Inside the palette is the dew, is the main thing, not the mirror. Okay, so let me show you how inside look like. Check this palette, check this palette, guys. Like I said, I had to calm my nerves down because the excitement when I received this palette, like, it was way beyond everything that I can imagine. But unfortunately, I couldn't show it today at the process of the tutorial. You get me? So, but don't worry, I got more looks for this palette. Trust me, use it like never before, because this palette right here, baby girls, you can't go wrong. Check this palette. Just take a moment to appreciate this palette. Check the shade inside. What you're looking for when we are talking about spring, summer, this is the palette. It kind of reminds me of Jackie Hill's palette, or Morphe, if I'm not mistaken. Palette right here is everything, you don't need to sleep on this palette. Excuse me. It's very beautiful palette, very beautiful. It's super beautiful, super beautiful. I love this palette with passion. I just love eyeshadow. I love eyeshadow. When I see a good eyeshadow, guys, you can't tell me nothing. Enough of the rumbling, okay? Enough. And I decided to go for this kind of ombre lip combo-ish, and I'm loving it. It is not my vibe, but I just had to step out of my comfort zone to do something different. Sometimes, not all the time. I still like to keep it chill and you know dewy and put together. You know me, you know how I roll, you know my thing, okay? You know my vibe. Anyway, enough of the talking, guys. If you're interested, you want to see how I achieve this eye makeup look and with this bomb ass glossy lip. You already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. The products I use are going to be listed down below, and if you have any question, feel free to let me know. I want to know your thoughts on the comment section below. If this makeup you love it, you want to recreate it, feel free to leave me a comment. I don't buy, mama don't buy. Mama is always friendly, okay? And as I always say, don't forget to do what makes you happy, what makes you so smile all the time. Do it, and stay pretty and stay blessed. See you in my next video. Take care, love you, ciao. So guys, wet up. So I'm just going to go straight ahead and prime my eye, taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Transcend. I'm just going to apply that all over my eye. spread that all over my eye. This is running tears like nobody business, okay? Excuse that. That's crazy. I know I'm allergic, very strong allergic. Okay, so yeah. Excited to be using this palette. Look at how cute it is. It doesn't have a mirror, so cute. I'm going to start up with this silver brush, and this one is eye blender. So I'm going to go in with this color right here, this one right here, super beautiful, dark purple, super beautiful. Applying that on my outer corner, and then I'm going to blend it to my lid area or to my crease, if that makes sense. Yeah, beautiful. I hope it's picking up on camera as a purple, because this is not a blue, trust me, it's not a blue. Okay, so it's more warm than the first one, so I'm just going to apply that on my crease as well. This beautiful, guys, I must say, this is very beautiful palette. It looks super expensive, right? The packaging is just everything super expensive, and the color that is inside, the pigment, is really doing the job. Guys, excuse me in case I'm talking very low today, because I'm not in my 100% attitude today. Okay, please just bear with me. Every time is not the same, just bear with me, because I'm super excited to show you this palette, to review, in the same time my honest opinion. All right, so yeah, that is why. But just excuse me if I'm not really that's good today. I'm taking this beautiful light, kind of light purple lilac color. I'm not going to be applying any extra concealer, so yeah, I'm going to be taking this Sephora brush. This is a perfect brush for me to apply my eyeshadow, super flat here, and it's also very pigmented. It's not bad. Shh. Right here, this purple right here, the one I'm applying on my lid, it has a little bit fallout, and which is very bearable, workable, but at the same time the pigment is not a baby joke. Okay, it's not a baby joke. Using the Maybelline eyestudio gel liner, magnificent eyeliner brush to line my waterline and my upper line. Normally I wanted to use a white liner, but my eye is watering, so I don't want to mess this look up. So guys, excuse, I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera. I'll be right back to show you how I apply my lashes. Guys, you can't believe what happened off camera, but anyway, we are over that now, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here, this one right here, dark purple. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, this here, and it's not bad, but I'm going to blend it out. Judith Williams voluminous mascara. So this is the lashes I'm going to be wearing today. I have a new lashes, I believe it is called Ice Age, but don't worry, on my next video I'm going to show you. So guys, to line my lips, I'm going to be taking this Flormar lip liner. I don't even know the number anymore, because see how small it is. So guys, for lipstick, I'm going to be taking my Lancome lipstick. This one is Violet Crush in number 5. I'm going to be applying some concealer. Okay, the one I use as my eyeshadow base. I'm just too lazy to stand up to take another lipstick, but I think this will work. Top it a little bit with a Fenty lip gloss, okay, lip gloss. Applying the Judith Williams lip gloss. I think I can do without this lip gloss. I want that extra nude at the middle, poppy, and all those jazz. My outfit needs to be transformed. I'll be right back. Before she come back, make sure you subscribe. Thank you.